unexpected mercy followed.
What do you request?
I prayed to the God of heaven, and then I answered the king.
Send me to Judah, so I may rebuild it. Permission was granted. Letters of protection and supplies were given. Hope was reborn. Go, rebuild your city. Yes, my lord, it will be done.
After months of travel, Jerusalem appeared before me, broken, burned, abandoned. Tears filled my eyes again.
The damage is worse than I feared. My people, look upon these stones. They whisper of our past glory. We must be united. He gathered the people the next morning. You see the trouble we are in. Come, let us rebuild. Hope sparked among them.
For Joseph!